There are around 8 million species of animals, and majority of them have not been identified. To catalog them all could take years, even more than 1,000 years. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Forever Rare channel. Today, join us in discovering bizarre animals that make you think twice if they actually exist. Before we jump into the list, what do you think about this animal? Does it actually exist or not? Stick around until the end of the video and find out. The blue glaucus can grow up to 1.2 inches long. They eat large venomous prey such as the Portuguese man-o-war and the blue button jelly. Then they store their prey's stinging cells in their bodies and later use them against predators. What's more is that they can swallow air and hold it in their stomach in order to float on the water's surface. Gobi jerboa is fast compared to rats but slow compared to squirrels. This animal can run at about 15 miles per hour when they are being chased. Irrawaddy dolphins are small, weighing between 198 to 440 pounds, and grow 6 to 9 feet in length. They sometimes spit a stream of water, which is thought to help them catch fish. Sometimes they slap fish to stun them. The Japanese spider crabs are the largest, 10 times bigger than the normal crab. Their leg measures up to 30 inches, and they can be as big as 80 inches. Sea lampreys are jawless. They have large reddish eyes and single nostril on the top of their head. They have 7 gill openings that are located behind the eyes. The mantis shrimp is beautiful and vibrant in color, but also deadly. They can hit the prey with the force of a bullet or spike them with their sharp claws, earning the nickname thumb splitter, because if not handled carefully, they can cause painful gashes. The sea pig is a type of a sea cucumber. They can fit in the palm of your hand and live in the deepest parts of the ocean. Can you see those antennae? Well, they are actually their feet. The birds of paradise produce unique sounds and bear many bright colors with uniquely beautiful feathers. Male birds are known for their extravagant courting displays to attract females. The spiny bush viper is known for its extremely keeled dorsal scales that give a unique shaggy idea to its skin, almost bristly in appearance. The fossa is one of the top predators on the island of Madagascar and have scent glands that release a stinky smell when the animal is irritated or frightened. The word generic translates to giraffe-necked. They are capable of walking on their hind legs for short distances. Generic scent marks territories with a special tar-like substance produced by glands in front of their eyes. Its name may sound like a Harry Potter spell, but it is sometimes called a tree hopper or a thorn bug. The Ambonia spinosa use vibrations to communicate that are inaudible to humans. Because of its hairy legs, it was named after the Yeti. One of the more interesting facts is that the Yeti crab pile on top of each other to stay warm near hydrothermal vents. One scientist even counted up to 700 crabs per square meter. The most unusual feature of the eye is its extremely narrow middle finger, which it uses to tap on trees to find grubs under the bark. They are only found in Madagascar and rarely go down from the trees. Are you enjoying the list so far? If you do, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to be the first to know when a new video is up. Cantor's giant softshell is a very large freshwater turtle, known to reach over 1 meter in length and weigh more than 100 kilograms. They face threat from harvesting of the locals for meat and is now in the brink of extinction. The Dumbo octopus, named after Disney's Dumbo, uses its ear-like fins to propel through the water and steer using its webbed arms. It is the deepest living genus of all octopuses, and it does not have an ink sac, as they rarely encounter predators. Glass frogs are unique amphibians with rather peculiar physical feature. They have translucent skin that makes their insides visible to the naked eye. When you look at their underbelly, you have a full view of their intestines, lungs, and sometimes even their beating heart. The ice fish have antifreeze proteins in their blood and body that keep their cells from freezing. Because of the high oxygen content in the Antarctic waters, the ice fish are able to survive with lower amounts of hemoglobin than other fishes. This pea-sized frog was discovered in the forests of the Southeast Asian island of Borneo. Adult males are about half-inch long. Because they are so tiny, finding them proved to be a challenge. The vampire flying frog can be found in the mountain jungles of Vietnam. First found in 2008, this amphibian is 2 inches long and is known to live only in the southern Vietnamese cloud forests, where it uses webbed fingers and toes to glide from tree to tree. Do you have anything in mind that you want us to check out? Let us know through the comments and we might feature it on our next video. What makes the harp sponge so magnificently beautiful are the tiny white balls that are present on top of the branches that play a major role in their reproduction. Also, the sponge can hunt, and in fact, they are carnivorous. The sponge has root-like structures known as rhizoid, and they use this rhizoid to anchor itself to the soft seabed. Did you know that the naked mole rat can move each of its front teeth separately? Just like a pair of chopsticks. Cool, right? Well, besides that, another fun fact about them is that they do not drink water, and they get their hydration from the plants they eat. They eat only part of the root or tuber and leave enough behind so that the plant can still survive and provide another meal. Amazing, isn't it? Star-nosed moles are functionally blind. Their nose isn't used for smelling. It's used for touch to feel around and hunt prey in the darkness. They are known to blow bubbles into the water and then inhale it again through the nose to sniff for prey, making them the first mammal known to smell underwater. Blue-footed boobies are aptly named, and males take the great pride in their fabulous feet. During mating rituals, male birds show off their feet to prospective mates with a high-stepping strut. The bluer the feet, the more attractive the mate. So, what was your answer to our pop quiz earlier? Is this animal real or not? The answer? It's fake. It's not an animal, but it is a wonderful posable fantasy creature art doll. Nature is full of mysteries and surprises. Though these animals may be bizarre, they're undeniably beautiful in their respective ways. Is there any animal in particular that you want to see in real life one day? Let us know in the comments. And while you're at it, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for the next video.